Welcome to the world of forestry machinery. Let's explore the power of chainsaws, loggers, and wood chippers. From fallen leaves to large tree trunks, all are gifts from nature. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos. Using a chainsaw is an art that requires meticulousness and deep understanding. Wara H414, with its incredible processing speed of up to 13 FTS1 and the ability to process trees from 3 to 24 inches in diameter, will open a new world of possibilities and opportunities. Let us take you on a journey of discovery where you will find endless inspiration. Close-up of the combination of people and modern machines. John Deere 244G with powerful 172 horsepower engine, demonstrating the dramatic transformation of the forestry landscape. This combination not only enhances performance, but also significantly improves the work process thanks to its amazing effects. In addition, the American grapple saw, equipped on Caterpillar's 320 DFM excavator with an extremely sturdy design, is capable of cutting up to 32 trees in one operation. This capability promises to improve work efficiency, optimize production processes, and help save time and costs for forestry enterprises. With continuous progress, the combination of technology and human skills is opening up promising new perspectives for the forestry industry. The ultimate cutting chainsaw Ms. 261CM with a powerful 50.2cc engine, combined with a fast chain tensioning system, ensures optimal performance and ease of use. Delicately designed, the product not only shows professionalism, but also optimizes power, providing a great experience for users. In the field of advanced chainsaws, the Varna 592XP Husk, with its powerful 92C engine, is a highlight with a chain speed of up to 9,600 RPM, confirming its excellent cutting ability. This product not only has outstanding power, but is also designed to meet the most demanding requirements of professional sawing and cutting needs. The Malwa 560C is equipped with the LogMax system, which together with the 928 control system forms an efficient duo, redefining the concept of efficiency in the wood processing industry. With a cutting capacity of up to 23 inches, the machine ensures fast and accurate wood processing, meeting the strict requirements of modern wood production and forestry. In Brazil, the TigerCat L870C boasts a powerful engine of up to 328 horsepower, combined with the ability to cut down to 26 horsepower. This ensures efficient harvesting in pine forests, distinguished not only by its powerful pulling power, but also by its ability to react quickly to meet the strict requirements of the forestry industry. In the field of forestry equipment, the Komatsu 951 S132 machine is designed with the power and ability to cut up to 26 pieces to process wood effectively. This is not just a technological advancement, but also demonstrates the power of these devices to accelerate development and change the way we understand the possibilities of modern technology in the forestry industry. Max Harvester 400 surprises everyone with its processing speed of up to 10 crops per minute. Its ability to handle logs up to 24 inches in diameter confirms its superiority in the industry. Not only leading in efficiency and productivity, Max Harvester 400 also demonstrates outstanding advances in wood processing technology. A new era has opened, where efficiency and perfection in work are pushed to new heights, maximizing customer satisfaction. With the arrival of the Harvester Sampo 86, a groundbreaking piece of equipment capable of cutting up to 24 inches in a single operation, the vast forest landscape will be completely transformed. The incredible speed of Harvester Sampo 86 not only improves efficiency, but also changes the way we manage and exploit forest resources. Imagine a powerful machine moving flexibly through dense forests, each cut as sharp as perfect scissors, helping to save significant time and effort. Harvester Sampo 86 is a symbol of technological progress, delivering outstanding efficiency and opening a new era in forest exploitation technology. Watching a large log of wood being processed by an automatic machine with sharp saw blades is an exciting and amazing experience. The combination of advanced technology and environmental protection is the key to the sustainable development of the forestry industry. Please share your thoughts below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to follow the latest videos from us.